Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we'll learn about a so beautiful and so elegant different type of knitting pattern. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your project like ladies cardigan, gents half sweater, full sweater, baby sweater, caps, vest. So this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. This pattern is 6 rows. Repeat pattern cast on multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. Multiple of 4 plus 2 edge stitches. So let's begin. For demonstration here we have 18 stitches on my needle, 16 stitches, multiple of 4, 4 times 4 plus 4, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 4, 16 and plus 2 edge stitches 18. Here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat. Purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. This is 4 stitches pattern, 2, 4. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. Now third time. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. One more time. Purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 4 times. Repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. First row is complete. Now second row wrong side. In this row knit edge, knit and purl as purl. Slip edge, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat. Knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1. Now last, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, yarn in back, knit 1. Last edge, purl edge from wrong side. Now this is third row and right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern. Purl 1, yarn in back, twist from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop. Now knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. That's our repeat. Purl 1, twist from left to right and knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? So yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, twist from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop. Knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. Again purl 1, yarn in back, twist from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop. Now knit 1, yarn in front and slip 1, purl 1. One more time. Purl 1, yarn in back, twist from left to right, this way to this way. Take second stitch on your right needle from front loop, first stitch on your left needle from back loop. and knit 1, yarn in front, slip 1, purl 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is completion of fourth row, wrong side. Slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn in back, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. That's our repeat, knit 1, yarn in back, slip 1, purl 1, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how much to have. So knit 1, yarn in back, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Again knit 1, yarn in back, slip 1, this is slip stitch, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1. Now last, knit 1, yarn in back, slip 1, this is slip stitch, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1, this is purl stitch, and this is knit stitch, knit 1. Purl edge from wrong side. Fifth row, right side. Slip edge, yarn in front. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, yarn in back and slip 1. First we yarn in front and slip 1. Now in this row, yarn in back and slip 1. Yarn in front, purl 1. That's our repeat, purl 1, knit 1, yarn in back, slip 1, purl 1. Again we repeat this pattern how many do you have. So purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1. Third time, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1. One more time, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 1, slip 1, yarn in front, purl 1. Here we complete 3 times. Repeat pattern, last edge, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed now. Sixth row, wrong side. Slip edge, yarn in back. From here we start our repeat pattern, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. That's our repeat, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how much do you have. Knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. Again knit 1, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. One more time, knit 1, yarn in front, purl 2, 1, 2, knit 1. Purl edge from wrong side. Sixth row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. So one more time we make this pattern from first row. First row right side, slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern, purl 1, yarn in back, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1. That's a repeat. Again we repeat this pattern. How much do you have? Purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, purl 1, knit 2, 1, 2, purl 1, knit edge from right side. Again we start this pattern from first row. In this way we repeat these 1 to 6 rows, and after repetition of 6 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of your projects of hand. If you like my videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye friends.